What's up, sweet gang? It's your girl, Rochelle, welcoming you to your sweet connection. In this video, I got some great and amazing news that I would like to share with you. I want to show my appreciation to you guys. We're going to do a contest, and the contest is going to be on this wonderful 3D apple. I will be doing a tutorial this Saturday on how to create the 3D unicorn apple. Yep, this Saturday. This Saturday is going to be amazing because what you're getting ready to be taught, first done by me, 3D unicorn candy apple. What we're going to be touching base on is how to dip the apple in chocolate, how to form the stout of the unicorn. We're going to be going over how to use the molds, how to form the roses, how to apply the jewel dust, and how to form the hair and everything else in this wonderful 3D apple. I want to share this opportunity with you guys. Just my appreciation to you since I didn't do my congratulations making it to 10,000 subscribers. I want to say thank you to all of you that have shown your love and support to my channel, and I just want to bless you all with doing so, a contest, and giving that one winner $500. $500 goes to the winner of the best 3D candy apple. I am very excited in doing this apple with you guys and just giving you the opportunity to practice and just sharing the technique and method with you guys is just going to be awesome. And once again, I thank you for your love and support. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video and all the other videos that I have on my channel. But I just want to go over in detail with you all what it is that you need to get. Everything will be in the description below, like I mentioned, what it is that you will be needing to create this wonderful apple. Now, if you can't get it at your local bakery supply store, you can also order it online. I will give you a week to do the 3D candy apple, so you'll have enough time. So the entries will be put in after I have done the video. So here are the list of things that you will need to do in order to enter. First, you must be subscribed to my channel. Second, you must follow me on both of my social media pages. Your Sweet Connection on Facebook and Your Sweet Connection on Instagram. Once you follow me, you will put in your entry through my Instagram DM. Putting in your entry, I will give you an entry number at that time. Once your entry is in, you have a week to put in your entry. So after my video on this Saturday, you have up until next Saturday to have all your entries in. Entries will be cut off at 12 midnight Eastern Standard Time on that following Saturday. Everything and all the instructions and everything that is going to be needed will be in the description below, so you're not going to miss anything. But also, you must follow me on both social medias. You must be subscribed to my channel, and you must go ahead and rate. You must rate my Facebook page, and just letting me know, share some light, how you have been blessed, or how you have been just excited about being with me on my channel. I give pleasure into teaching, and it's really a joy to me. So doing this apple with you guys, I'm totally excited. Very happy to be doing this with you. So if you're ready, tell your friends, tell your buddies that Ro is doing a contest this Saturday on the 3D candy apple. I am ready, and I'm just too excited. So don't forget, the winner of the best 3D apple will receive $500. That winner, I will post your picture on my Facebook page as well as my Instagram. So make sure you tune in this Saturday and be ready to be taught how to do the 3D candy apple. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section. I will comment and let you know. And make sure that you read all the instructions and everything in the description below. You'll have everything. It won't even be no problem. So if you're ready to get this 3D game going on, let me hear you. Let me hear it in the comment section. I'm ready to get it going. And I'm truly, truly honored to be able to have fun with you guys and be able to bless somebody with $500. I thank you to all my wonderful subbies. You guys have been great. It's truly been a blessing. And if this girl has gave you life, leave it in the comment section. You enjoyed this information. Give it a thumbs up, because I'm ready to do this 3D candy apple with you. So it's your girl Ro, about to go. And I will definitely see you in the next video this Saturday doing the 3D candy apple. Bye-bye.